Hard work, the most raw and obvious way to reach something. Maxime Lagacé, my friends, each and every day, 10 to 15 minutes. That's the hard work we ask from you. If you will spend that small amount of time every day, and again, I know that perseverance, persistence, dedication are the hardest things for people to do, but if you will just allocate that time, no matter what it takes, you don't go to sleep till you've reviewed the charts, entered your practice trades, exited your practice trades, done what you need to do to follow the market and learn the nuances of trading. If you will do that, you will master these charts. And once you do that, you'll make up for all the time you ever spent. You'll have early financial choices. You'll see your money grow. You'll be in charge. If that's your dream, make it happen. Start today. Let's see where these charts are. We see the only thing down is gold for the day, pulling back some. Let's jump first into the S&P 500. Yesterday we told you there was a 70% chance with a 75% backtest accuracy that the S&P would be up today. It is. Not a lot, but it's up 0.04%. We are still bullish as we go into Friday. 70% probability of continued up movement, backtest accuracy of 75%. We see another $4 of up movement till we hit the $600 mark, where there is going to be, we sure believe, some resistance to continued up movement. So again, I encourage you to follow these charts with us, do these practice trades, watch for, again, the charts to be in alignment and to be moving in the right direction. We do have a 2-day that has drifted off, and the first day of this latest 2-day candle, it's penetrating that weekly trend line, which is a warning to us. We haven't penetrated it on the half day, but the 2-day has dropped below it. We've got okay volume. We'll see if on Friday it reaches there. It's going to be very important for us to pay attention to what happens, because if things really do fall off on Friday on the S&P 500, then we may have reached a top. So I'm paying particular attention when I see a breach of a trend line, particularly on the intermediate to the high chart. That means a lot to me. So keep a close eye on the S&P with that weakening. Let's look at the NASDAQ 100. Where is it? You can see it's been sliding sideways even longer. We did say we were bullish on it, 65%, 70% backtest accuracy yesterday. Where are we today? We're at a 65% bullishness, 70% backtest accuracy. But again, I'm warning you from what I see here. We see where things on the half day have topped and slid sideways. In the last few days, our Heikin-Ashi candlesticks are showing a lot of red. We have not penetrated, the weekly trend line on the 2-day, but it is weak, and we had lots of volume going into that weakness on the Monday, Tuesday candle. So I am paying attention to what's happening with stocks. Maybe they'll boom up on Friday, but do pay attention for them maybe hammering over, going down. Now, what's up with 20-year U.S. government bonds? Might have had some profit taking there off the down moves. You can see where things were down in the morning, recovered some in the afternoon, ended up being up 0.52%, but again, got a lot of energy. We're already, 1 day to go, we're already at average volume on the weekly. We're getting close on the the 2-day, and the half day has been just hammering up on average or above average volume for many days, as again, the down move has been accelerating. So where are we on bonds? 80% bearish. We were yesterday 80% bearish, 85% backtest accuracy. We see around the $83 mark. We're at $84.41 right now. Some resistance to continued down move, so pay attention to that. You could take some profits there potentially. So just continue to watch. What's up with gold? Now again, gold hit its high back on the week beginning 21st of April, then a doji. Then an attempted green up move, that was that next week beginning the 5th of May, and then rolling over on the 12th of May. And this week we got a doji just sort of hanging there for the weekly chart. Volume's pretty decent, but a doji is just sitting there. 2-day chart moving up, trying to move up in the green, but again, like I said, down for the day. After several days of up movement, gold pairing off. So we'll keep our eye on things. Where are we as far as where were we yesterday? We were bullish about 70%, 75% back test accuracy. Where are we today as we go into tomorrow? We are 70% bullish and we are 75% back test accuracy. So we've kept the same, but do pay attention as to what you see. And again, it just could be a little profit taking and things are going to pop back up, but it's just hard to read. When you get a doji there for the week, it means extreme indecision. That's extreme indecision in the market, so we'll keep our eye on gold. Lastly, go to Bitcoin. Higher and higher it goes up. 2.41%. Of course, we were bullish yesterday at 70% on Bitcoin for continued up movement over the next 5+ days, 75% back test accuracy. That remains the same. And again, it's looking beautiful. We've blown through that prior high, and Bitcoin just keeps on keeping on. I can go ahead and remove that. I will remove it because it ain't there no more. Bitcoin's blown through it. And again, decently above the weekly trend line on both the 2-day and the half-day. Decent on the volume so far. First day of the latest 2-day candle. Nice big green up candle. You can see it was up in the morning. Looks like it was about the same in the afternoon. Overall, 2.41%. If you've been in Bitcoin with us over these last 5+ weeks, hey, going in the right direction. God bless my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.